The 2011 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families. This vehicle has less than 75,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, power lift gate, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, hard disk drive media storage. This vehicle is Carfax certified one owner and qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Come see the car for yourself.